how much to charge for an OnlyFans subscription. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to make a really quick video for you guys because I always get this question when I am working with my clients one-to-one, and that is when they are first starting their OF page and we are going through how to optimize their page. They always get stuck with, I don't know how much to price my page for, and what do you think is the reasonable price? So I'm going to be going over what is the most reasonable price for a subscription page, and then also some of the kind of things that people do wrong when they are setting up their subscription price, and also discussing something that is called no PPV pages. That is a higher amount of subscription price, but you end up losing money when you start advertising your page as no PPV. All right. But if you guys want to work with me, my links are always in the video description down below. I have so many services to help you guys grow. But if you are ready to kick off and skyrocket your business right now, you absolutely need to get into the coaching course. I have so many clients that are enrolling every single day in the course, and they are having so much success with it. I just got off a coaching call with a client yesterday who purchased my course about 2 months ago and then just purchased the promo and coaching package. And I am so happy to tell you guys that since following the instructions and everything that you learn, and I give you all the information I give you in this course, just starting off, she started off with 0 followers from scratch. She has been able to make $2,000 extra her first month. Her second month, she hit 3,000, and now going into her third month, she knows she's gonna make so much more than that. So do not sleep on it, guys. Invest in your business. Get into the coaching course right now. So let's get into it. So I want to give you guys some actual real information that I give my one-to-one coaching clients. And this is your subscription price has to be reasonable, okay? So with that being said, so many newbies go and try to price their OnlyFans subscription page for like 20, 25, 20 is kind of reasonable, but anywhere from 25 to 30, $35. I've seen some newbies want to put in a $50 price tag on the subscription price of their page. But that is a big no-no, okay, guys? One of the things that I always say, if you have watched any of my other 100 of videos on the channel, I highly implore you to go watch some of those videos. I will tag a bunch of the videos in the cards attached to this video that I recommend that should be a good kind of complement to this video. So definitely go watch it. And if you want even more extensive information, the membership side has so many members. I am giving you guys exclusive tips that I only give my coaching clients. So definitely check out the membership. But even if not, there is so much information for you guys on the channel. So I definitely will be adding that to the cards here. But the biggest thing that I say is in sales and in marketing, you want to actually get sales, right? So with that being said, when you overprice your subscription for OnlyFans and you're like, well, I'm going to charge $25, let's say, all right? When you put in a higher price tag, you are not going to get that many conversions, or as many conversions, I should say. Conversions is a sale, okay? And guys, if you do not know, if you have not watched any of my other videos, this is a business. Someone subscribing is a sale. Your fan is a customer, okay? So your conversions won't be as high if you are overpriced, all right? So do you want 3 people to subscribe for $25, or do you want 10 people to subscribe for $10, right? Do you want that $100 and 10 people, or do you want 3 people at $75? Because if you really know the real way to make money on OnlyFans, it is not from a subscription price. It is from everything else that we are doing on the platform to milk and drain our fans. So we want to make sure we get the most people through the door so we have as much opportunities as we can to make extra money from our customers. The biggest thing I tell my clients is, because this is a business, think about your local business, right? Think about a local business in your area, or if you are in the US, think about Target, right? Target has an open door policy to get into their store, to get onto their online store, okay? And why is that? Because they have their business set up to where you can go in and they want you to purchase as many things as possible, right? So their store is fully set up with 50% off here, BOGO sale here, spring sale 20% off here, right? Flash sale, weekend only, $5 hot sale, right? This is exactly how we should be setting up, and you should be setting up, and how you should be thinking about running your page and your business, because this is a business. You want as many people as you can through the door to be able to milk and drain them, to be able to sell your extra services on your page, all right? In the course, I go over 12 extra ways outside of a subscription price how you can make money on the platform. But if you're not ready to invest just yet in the course, even though, again, I highly implore you, the membership side still has some of those secret tips on the membership side, so definitely join if you can't get into the course right now. But the real secret ways to make money on OnlyFans that us high earning models and OnlyFans agencies are making thousands of dollars a month is not just from a subscription price. It is everything else that we're doing on the page to milk and drain the fans that are on there. So you want 10 fans on your page as opposed to 3 fans. Now, to take this a step further and give you guys even more exclusive advice that I give my paying clients, is what you also want to do when you think about these big businesses is what? They always have a sale going on. So what I like to do, and what I implore my clients to do, is you can put a higher kind of price tag on your page, but always giving some type of discount, okay? Everybody loves a sale, and in marketing, it's kind of a psychological trick that we use in sales and in marketing to be able to make a conversion and increase our conversion, okay? So you can have a little bit of a higher price tag, like $19.99, but giving that 50 to 60 to even 70% off to enter your page will increase your conversion rate, because it gives them a better entering price while you are still making a little bit of money for them to get into the door. And then you have so many more opportunities to make money with those fans that are entering your door through the extra services that you can provide, okay? So that is the biggest tip that I always tell my clients, especially if a lot of you guys overthink it, and I understand you want to get it right, you want to know what to do. For myself and what I tell my clients, and again, I've been an online entrepreneur now for over 9 years, so I know about marketing, I know about sales, and about running deals. So if you guys were okay with putting your page for, let's say, $5 or $7, this also works in your benefit to where higher that price and then just always give a sale, okay? You never want to kind of lowball yourself, because what that ends up doing is your fans end up kind of underappreciating you and your content as well if it's too cheap. But having a higher price and running a sale triggers in their mind a psychological response that, oh, this is a deal, I want to get into it. And because they had a higher price before, this is a great deal, but also it's a higher item, higher product, which again, guys, you are the product, all right? This is a business, and you have to optimize your business and also think like kind of a business owner at this point, because you are, all right? So I hope this video was helpful when it comes to you thinking about putting a subscription price and how much to charge for your OnlyFans subscription, okay? It isn't something that you need to kind of rack your head over, but if you really think about how you are going to do this, you never want to overprice. You want to have a reasonable price, but giving a constant sale will increase your sales, again, because you are giving them a deal, okay? Now, that secret tip and information that I wanted to give you guys, I know some of you newbies may not know what a PPV is right now, and that is pay-per-view content. So there is a lot of models out there, big and even big models out there, which I know they have to be claiming that they are no PPV, but there is no way that they are making the most money they possibly can without having any type of PPV content. So what that means is there's a lot of people and a lot of models and content creators out there that will have a subscription price. The subscription price is not very large. It's only about like $15, and they claim that they have no other content on their page that their fans need to pay for, which, yes, for the fan, that seems like a great idea. But for the model, coming from someone who has run their own agencies and still helps models grow their business, that is a terrible kind of business plan, because what you're doing is you're leaving so much money at the door, because you can make so much more money on your page by selling exclusive content for a extra price, okay? So you're not gonna price gouge your fans. You're not going to be overcharging since they paid for a subscription price, but some of your super exclusive, brand new released, full-length content should still have a little bit of a price tag on it, because PPVs is one of the ways that you guys can make extra money on your page. So do not be giving every single piece of your content on your wall, even if you do have a subscription price, okay? Secret tip right there, guys. Don't sleep on this information. And again, if you are ready to grow right now, go into the video description down below and enter into the course. You guys will not regret it, and you will have the same success, just like my coaching client reported to me yesterday. Until next time.